So we are in the Chilean Fjords, somewhere between Punta Arenas and Amalia Glacier. It was raining so hard in Punta Arenas we couldn't go ashore. So we left. It's been raining for a long time, but now we're out here and this is what we're seeing. We don't get to Amalia Glacier until tomorrow, so that reminds me of Alaska. Anyways, went out and went on the other side of the ship. Of course, the bridge deck is closed, even though it's not really that windy anymore. The last clip was from our balcony. I'm going to try to go up and see whether I can get a better shot. We're being followed by another cruise ship way back there. I'm going to cross back to the other side. See these a little better. I'm kind of on the top of the ship. Got some wind noise going up here. This in close. It's just snow-capped mountains everywhere. I venture to say glaciers because it's almost the end of summer, so it had 3 months to melt, and it didn't. So it must be semi-permanent. Ship right there, so we're headed that way. More of the same tomorrow. So now I'm going to go back to my cabin. It's freezing out here. I think that's Tolkien playing on Movies Under the Stars without anybody watching. So more of the same. Back in my balcony cabin. On my balcony, and it's just mountains and snow like crazy. And every time I think we're coming out of it, we turn the bend around the corner and there's more and more.
Coming up to Amalia Glacier in Chile. You can see the bridge up there in Gareth.
On the bridge, taking pictures of us, and on the bridge deck, above the bridge, it's getting...
There's the Fall Glacier. You can see it up the canyon there.
Maybe a mile.
Down.
I think we're pretty far away from it. Believe it or not. I mean, it's big. The base is hundreds of feet high. Hundreds.
I can't zoom in anymore. I don't hear any cracks.
I saw the cabin going on. Let's go back. Maybe it's one more. skywalkers during the elite platinum party every night. We're sailing through the fjords of Chile. And their food over there.